Hello and welcome to another Mimic Simulator Web Services video interacting with the third-party web client application called Remotebox. As you know, with Mimic version 14.00, you can load the optional Web Services module to test your web-based client, management, and monitoring applications. In this video, we will simulate Oracle's VirtualBox VM services and then demonstrate how you can use this simulation as a means to test and verify GUI functionality. In the main canvas area of Mimic View, you can see we have a number of device simulations installed and running the Web Services module, each node running as an independent server. Of course, if you require significant load testing, you can scale to thousands of servers. We will connect with the simulated VirtualBox VM services at IP address 10.0.0.1 over port 18083. From the Remotebox client, initiate the connection. Web tracing for the simulation is enabled, and we see the SOAP protocol interaction between the client and the simulated VBox server within the log view. Observe the list of Mimic simulated VirtualBox guests as retrieved by the Remotebox client. Let's take a closer look at the VM entry for Fedora 18 and then traverse through the settings console Now with the simulated server, we are able to traverse through the settings dialog as a means to verify the application. Though we can test for GUI functionalities and look at expected setting values, you can easily test against unexpected values with a quick modification to your simulation. Now, case in point, let's look at video memory. You can see underneath the Detail Summary tab, the current setting for the video memory is 12 megabytes. Let's correlate this value to what is defined within the Settings Display dialog. Looking at the display dialog, you can see that the current setting is 12 megabytes. Everything here appears as normal. Now, let's see what happens if we alter the simulation to perhaps create a negative scenario. I will change the default setting value by increasing it from 12 megabytes of memory to, say, 72,000 megabytes of memory. With the change complete to the simulation, let's reconnect to the Web Services server at 10.0.0.1. Okay, now let's go back and click on the Fedora 18 VM once again. Beneath the Details Summary tab, you can see the increase in memory. 72,000 megabytes of memory is the current setting. Now let's move forward and correlate the change to what the settings dialog presents. Click on the settings and then move forward and click on display. With the Remotebox settings display dialog open, we can see that we have a mismatch for the video memory configuration. Maximum value against this dialog is only capable of 256 megabytes. Sliding up and down the scale, we can see that from the settings perspective on the display, it holds true between 1 megabytes of memory to a max value of 256 megabytes of memory. Have we uncovered a potential weakness in the application? Possibly. The point being, With Mimic Simulator's Web Services module, you have complete control as to how you wish to test and verify your web services applications. Thanks for watching.